Hey everyone, I'm going to give you one of my top 10 favorite Young Living oils coming up next. Hi, it's Angela from Life and Oils with Joy. I wanted to share one of my top oils, an oil that I think should be in everybody's toolbox, oil box. When my daughter was little, she used to get stomach aches all the time. Every single day she would complain of a stomach ache. We went to her pediatrician, we went to specialists, we had all kinds of tests done, we would do yoga, we would do all kinds of things. We tried every single over-the-counter medication for children, we even tried over-the-counter medication for adults, and nothing would touch these tummy aches. She would have them all the time. Finally, I heard about this oil from Young Living and I decided to give it a try. It is DiGize. We also at this time started making a lifestyle change in the way that we ate. We cut out a lot of processed food and started eating more healthy, and for a time we cut out things like gluten and dairy, and I think a combination of the oil and our diet change made a huge difference in her life. This DiGize though, my kids all use it, especially my daughter. We have roller bottles in all of the ones we have in our house, and I have several of these roller bottles rolling around my house right now. The kids all know when they need it. They say, "Mommy, where's the tummy oil? Where's the tummy oil?" And they will put it on right away. It is made out of tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, anise, patchouli, and it has fennel oil in it. So if you go to Google and search natural remedies for any kind of stomach issue, these things will pop up and it'll suggest to make a tea or something like that to use for them. So Young Living combined them all into one blend. It is super amazing. I always, when I get the oil, I take an old DiGize bottle and I read the label instructions and I dilute it accordingly with, I use either avocado oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. And then I do have some V6 oil that I ordered from Young Living. DiGize oil is $44 retail or $33.75 wholesale. It is worth every single penny, and it actually does last quite a while because it needs to be diluted. So again, I highly suggest you get this oil for your oil cabinet. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more information about my favorite oils. I will work on a series on these, and I hope you have a great day and a life with joy.